But the reason why I carry this is that it's like an electric candle lighter. I don't have to put my fingers way in there. I can just touch it, be done with it, get this going. And if I really want to get this thing cooking, so to speak, I can douse it with a quick shot of rubbing alcohol. Watch this. Now we're cooking. Okay, so our pan there, flames coming out. Cook this steak. I'm gonna gather some more twigs while this is cooking. And whenever you can get sticks that are not actually attached to the branch, use them, because it's not for being gentle to the tree, it's that they're going to be drier than if they're still getting moisture through the roots of the tree. Medium rare, 135, cooking, we're at 97. Add a few more sticks, get this thing a little hotter. And you can see that every time you add more fuel, it gets a little warmer. This is very tender meat. It's not holding the thermometer very well. There we go. That's some good heat. So you want them about this long, about the size of your small finger, because you don't want it hanging out and dropping embers on your table. Char on it. Again, all just with biofuel. Right. We are cooking now, and you can see how the ready around 339, that's been going successfully downwards. As we get faster and faster cooking, getting hotter and hotter, it's going to push down that ready time. See how it's coming down? I think that is a well done steak now.